guys, welcome to this quick video tutorial on how to use MT4 platform. In this video I'll be covering three main aspects. Firstly, how to download it, set it up, and a quick walkthrough. I will try to make it as brief as possible, so stay tuned. First of all, go to Play Store. Whatever Play Store you use, Google or Apple Play Store. Go on the search, type MetaTrader 4, and it pops up. You can see the necessary information about the app. You click it. The file size is about 5 MB, not large enough. It's okay. It doesn't take much space in your phone. So you click on the install button while waiting for it to install. This should be over in some seconds. So setting it up, you could either directly click on the open button from here, or you go to your home screen, your home page, look for where it is, click MetaTrader 4, here it is, and it comes up. So I assume for you to be downloading MetaTrader 4, you know its use already. It's a trading platform used in trading foreign exchange, cryptocurrencies, metals, and a whole lot of variety of things to trade. So this is the bare screen of what you get. This is basically what you get. Nothing complex. Go straight to the point. I'll be explaining every part soon. For now, the market is closed. That's why you don't have any movement on the last candle over there. So you click. This is the main chart options. All these are options to help you navigate. You can see that already the MetaTrader 4 created an account for me, a demo account, and credited it over $100,000, but it's demo account for practice, and it's usually good to test out a new strategy, or if you're learning, you can use a demo account to learn instead of risking a real account. So on the first option over here, you have the quotes. Now whatever you'll be trading will be quoted here, whether it be currencies, currency pair, or metals or crypto, whatever, it will be quoted here. And on this quote you have your currency pair. Assuming I'm looking at this Euro USD, this is the currency pair. You can see the spread over here. You can see the spread, the low and the high, the recent low and the recent high for that currency pair. And it's the same for each and every one of them. So assuming you want to add a new currency pair that is not here, not actually new, but maybe it's not among these options, you click on the plus. You click on, for now this broker MetaTrader 4 does not have metals, does not have cryptocurrencies, it just has Forex. You click on Forex, but in a situation where others are available, they'll all be listed up here. So in this case, you click on Forex, you click on whatever currency pair you want to add to your existing ones. Assuming I'll add a CAD JPY, I click on CAD JPY, and it goes straight and appears among the existing ones. Then now in a case where I want to edit the appearance of my currency pair, the organization of my currency pair, I click on the pencil button. I hold and drag whatever currency pair I want to move, maybe up or down, depending on my preference. Also, if I want to delete any currency pair from the group of pairs I have displayed on my quotes, I can click on the delete button and select whichever currency pair I want to delete. Click delete, it goes, but not permanently. I can still access it from the plus button over here. Okay, I think that's enough for the quotes. Now to the chart. Now the chart menu is where all the magic happens. Literally all the magic happens here. Your analysis, your trading, every single thing you will be doing that is important will be here. This side of the chart is the actual chart where you see the graph being plotted by the movement of price. You have the bid and the axe line over here, which draws the candlesticks. In this case, I'm using a candlestick, and it draws the candlestick as it moves on, as the price changes. Now each candlestick here is represented by whatever time frame I have over here. You can see where the pointer is. In this case, it's a 5-minute time frame. So each candle here represents a 5-minute candle. Assuming I want to change the time, I could click on this periodicity. I click on it. I see different time frames. I can use the 1-minute time frame. In this case, each candle represents 1 minute. I can see the 5 minutes, which we have already seen, the 15 minutes. Each of the candle represents whatever time frame being selected. 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, a day. So each candle represents a day, a week, and a month. These are the only time frames we have on the MT4 we could use to trade. So now these options on top here are also very important. Apart from the time frame, here is the crosshair, this option. When we click on it, we can pinpoint a location to see the actual price here on the left. This part of the chart shows you the price of the currency, of the quote currency, as opposed to the base currency. In this case, Euro USD. In this currency pair, Euro is the base currency and the USD is the quote currency. Assuming we want to know the current price of this pair, 1 euro is equals to whatever is showing on the blue line over here on the price direction. So now in this case, 1 euro is equals to $1.11166. So that's how we do it. So this crosshair can, if you want to select a particular place on the chart, that's cool to see the actual price of that area. Maybe when you want to select, put your stop loss or take profits, it will be very useful and handy over there. You can use it for other purposes. On the PC platform, the crosshair can be used to calculate pips. We'll look into that in another tutorial. But on the mobile platform, you can't do that actually. There's no provision for calculating pips. So over here, you have the indicators, the F represented by the F. You click on the indicators, you get two options for indicators. Either you add the indicator to the main chart or to the indicator window. Adding it to the main chart, whatever indicator you add to the main chart appear on this main chart, and this is the indicator window down here. Now, assuming I put in fractals on the main chart, I click done. Now you can see my fractals showing on my main chart. Assuming I want to delete them, I click delete and delete my fractal, and it's out from the main chart. Also, I could apply an indicator to the indicator window. I could have several indicator windows. I think 2 or more, not really sure, but I can have more than one. So now, assuming I want to put first index, I click on first index and click done. It appears on my main chart, on my indicator window. So that's about it about the indicator window. Next, we have the symbol. This symbol is kind of the same with the quotes, but quotes shows you the currency pair and much deeper details. This symbol is just to quickly navigate any currency pair I would like to trade from the chart menus direct. Whichever I click on, it quickly changes and shows me the chart for that currency pair. So we have gone through the periodicity, and now here is the order option. Now, assuming you want to take a trade, you click on the plus order option and this pops up. Depending on the market execution you want to carry out, if you want an instant execution, in which case the moment you click, the trade comes up. You could click either buy or sell depending on your prediction of the market. You can choose the lot size over here. Here's the options for the lot size. Then over here is the options for stop loss, the side with the red, and over here with the green is the option for take profits. You will learn about all these terminologies later, and it's actually necessary for you to know about them. It will be very useful in your trading journey. So there are different types of market executions. That will be a video for later, and you will learn how to, in which market situation they are being used. So if you want to buy or sell, in this case I can't trade because it's weekends and the market is closed. So when you buy or sell, it places your order, but it can't do that now because the market is closed. So all this I have just mentioned can be gotten by clicking on this wheel on the screen on the main chart, and this wheel pops up. The wheel has your time frames and your indicator option and your crosshair. The only missing thing here is the order option. So one added part of this is the shapes, which is added to the wheel. In these shapes, you get the tools you'll be using for technical analysis, like vertical line, horizontal line, trend lines, trend by angles, and a whole lot more. Fibonacci retracement, rectangles, triangles, ellipse, and the likes. Assuming I want to use a trend line, I click on trend line, I draw my trend, and it appears on the chart the way I want it. But these are used for technical analysis. When you go deeper, you actually know all this, different types, the ways you could do technical analysis, different patterns, the uptrend, downtrend, triangle, the head and shoulder pattern, and a whole lot more. So over here is your trade part of the app. Whatever ongoing trade you're in will appear here. Assuming the market was open and that trade entered, they will all appear here, and I will have the option to close them when at will, whether in profit or in loss, depending on my choice. And over here is the history option. It shows me the history of all my trades. I could choose duration of the history, my trades from last week, last month, last 3 months, or custom period, whatever suits my taste. I could choose that, and you get all the history about your trades over here. And here is the news part of the app. You could get news or information over here. You will get them here. Well, in this case, I don't know why they're not showing me, because it's weekends. So you could get all your news here, and here is your chat. So all these options below are also here. When you click at these side options, it pops up. Then you can see them here. You can also reach them through these options over here, with some other added options like mailbox, economic calendar, which is also very important, messages, settings, journals, and about. Now, assuming you want to log into an account, you could do that over here, but I'll just give you a brief look. I will later show you an in-depth tutorial on that, but that will be for another video. You click on plus, you log in, whether it's a demo account or real account, you log in. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching this video. I would really love it if you guys can support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button to help this channel grow. We'll release more videos later, which we try to aim at giving quality to new traders for free.